Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Miss Quinn, she belongs to me. Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me.
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
With you.
You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big cosmos.
Harley, focus.
Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.
Now, staying on the DC theme for the Suicide Squad, Warner Brothers censored Harley Quinn's butt. Margot Robbie wore pretty much nothing in Suicide Squad aside from a ripped t-shirt and an incredibly short pair of shorts. CGI was used to make them appear longer in the trailers, possibly to avoid any backlash from angry parents and censors. Now, seeing as a female director will be in charge of Birds of Prey, it will be interesting to see if her wardrobe changes. Do you like my shirt? You can get one in the link in the description.